Welcome everybody. I'm here with my friend. What's your name again?
It's Daily.
Daily, yes. There's his name. We're playing Murder Mystery. It's called a murder. It's mystery. So you don't know if you're the killer or the sheriff. Right now we're just dancing on the railing because we're having fun right now. But here we go. We're starting. I am gonna be I'm the sheriff. So Blue's the sheriff. You're the what? You're innocent? Okay. I was 80% of being the killer.
Someone just said he hated me.
Okay, we're gonna tell each other we're gonna tell each other of what we are. So if you're the murderer, just say code red so we know. Okay.
Okay, we gotta find a. And oh no, I think I know what the murderer is. It says Vincent.
Oh, hi buddy. I don't know. Okay, see, I got the gun.
Okay, good. And we got beats.
Okay, I don't think.
Oh no! I think that's a murder.
Murderer? Hi buddy. Are you the murderer? Oh! I heard knife. I heard knife. Oh no! It's the bacon girl. Okay, yeah, guys, that didn't turn out because we gotta find her. Oh wow, I'm flying in the air. I just spawned in. I died. I flew off the map. Yeah, let us know what our nickname should be, guys. You want him to be mine? If you guys want me to have let me know if my nickname was to be. Let me know if you guys want my nickname to be Squad or FBI. Well, that's actually my name, but let me know if you want me to be Squad or let me know FBI if you like FBI name. Let me know what you want him to be called. What do you prefer to let them call you?
I usually call myself Starblaze. That's my name.
Okay, yeah, Starblaze. Let us know what your guys think about nicknames. Do you got another one that you like to be called too?
I think I have one.
I'm green.
I'm actually a mage. Well, in a video game. Well, I'm part knife or mage, so I probably am called Energizer King.
Okay. Hey, what are you? Are you innocent?
Yes, I am.
Okay, yeah. Let me know if you're the murderer. I'm 20% innocent, so I was almost the murderer. Okay, somebody died. It's not the bacon hair girl again because she was already it last round.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me know if you want him to be, whatever you said, and let me know if it's
he's behind you.
He's behind or the other thing. Oh, I found her. Yeah, hello, I found her. Hey, she's not there. Hey, good job, guys, good job. Alright, we go to that round, so we win. Well, I'm gonna do a victory dance on that one. I'm in the room. Where are we?
Okay. Let's see the dance.
Okay, let's pick what's this one? This one. We'll pick this one.
I'll just say.
Okay, guys, I hope you like this. Oh, by the way, I can't have these videos way too long. It stops at 15 minutes. So, my brother is on the phone with somebody, and he's playing Roblox too. He's a flip, and hey, can I call you just Flash for now?
Flash?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, yeah, Flash, my friend, you know my other friend you know the person that's a clown?
Yeah, just very nice.
Yeah, the person that's a clown is it.
Okay. We're gonna stop that murder. We're gonna
I'm not
we're gonna go some murder because
I'm innocent, so...
people we don't know.
Where do you want to hide? Do you want to like hide in here, or...?
Let's find a place where it's like dark and finally the dark place of the game.
Yeah, let's go like down here and yeah, let's hide. Oh wait, is there a basement anywhere? I thought there's like a basement.
Oh.
Oh god!
I'm a clown!
Oh, how many people is there left? Wait, that's me. There's a girl behind here. There's a girl behind here.
Okay, I'm gonna see how many people left. Oh, oh, okay. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 people left. So let's cheer on for the killer, because we're dead. Hey, the other
Hey, there's a girl. Oh, I got dark.
Okay.
Alright,
there's one more girl. These 2 people are teaming up until the end.
Okay. Oh, it's in the middle of the night. It's a clown with a knife.
Isaac, where is she?
Well, people already know my real name, but. Now it's just him and a.
I'm ready.
So they're playing hide and seek right now, guys. So we're gonna see who can find each other. I want to say these in the bathroom, but.
So I wonder how long is the video is.
I can stop. I'm gonna stop at 15 minutes because that's the time, anyways. Oh wow. Okay, yeah. Let's go in the voting room and do a victory dance. We're at a victory dance.
I want to go to the Fortnite dance one because that was cool.
Let's do this one right here. This one again.
Yeah, I like that room.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna end the video here. Okay, guys, and I'm gonna end the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you want our nicknames to be. And we're gonna do one. Well, all right, guys. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe. And have a good night.
Have a wonderful day.
Yeah, have a wonderful day. Bye.